Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe and well in your home. So, now today we are going to do the workbook part of our EVS subject. Now let's start with the first lesson from our EVS subject in the workbook, and the lesson's name is This is Who I Am. The first heading is Tick the correct answer. Here we have a statement and we have two options here. For this sentence we have to tick the correct answer. The first one is I am a dash. So A option is girl, B option is boy. So if you are a girl, you have to tick the option of here A, and if you are a boy, you have to tick the option here as B. Any one. If you are a girl, tick it as A option. If you are a boy, tick the B option. Now the second one. I am dash years old. I am dash years old. A is 5, B is 6. So if you are 5 years old, you have to tick the option A. If you are 6 years old, you have to tick the option as B. For example, if you are 5 years old, you have to tick the option as A. If you are 6, tick the option of B. Now the third one. I study in class dash. A is 1, B is 2. So I hope and I think you all study in class 1. So you have to tick the box of 1, that is A option. I study in class 1. Now the second bit here is write your favorite things. What are the favorite things? The things which you like the most are the favorite things. The first one is color. So there are so many colors: black, white, red, orange, yellow, green, pink. So the color which you like the most, you write here. Like if you like pink, write it as pink. If you like red, write red. Now the next one, B is game. There are so many games which you play, like cricket, ludo, carom, chess. So if you like chess, you can write here chess. If you like cricket, you can write here cricket. Next, C, cartoon character. You watch so many cartoon shows on the television. So you may like any one character. If you watch Chota Bheem, if you watch Shin Chan, Pokemon, Tom and Jerry, the character which you like the most, you can write the name here. For example, if you are watching Tom and Jerry, if you like the character of Tom, you can write here Tom, Tom. If you like Jerry, write here Jerry. The name of the character which you like the most, you can write here. Next one, D is food. So for the food, the one which you like the most, write the name here. If you like rice, write here rice. If you like chapati, write here chapati. If you like bread, you can write here bread. Yes, that is the food we eat. Now E is animal. Animals, you know, cat, dog, lion, tiger, elephant, all these are animals. Write the name in the box here, the one which you like the most. If you like cat, write cat, C-A-T, cat. If you like dog, you can write dog here. Yes, these are all the favorite things which you have to write. For the color, you write your favorite color. Game, you write your favorite game name. Cartoon character, write the name of your favorite cartoon character. Food, write the food which you like the most. And for animal, write the name of the animal which you like the most. So now in the third bit we have let's answer. Here we have 3 questions for which you have to write answers. And the first question is, who is your best friend? Children, you may have so many friends at home, at school, but among them only one is your best friend, with whom you play very much and with whom you talk very much. So the friend which you like the most is your best friend, and you have to write the name here. Like if her name is Rita, write Rita. If your best friend's name is Raju, write Raju. So write the name of your best friend here. Now B. Which festival do you love the most? Children, we have so many festivals which we celebrate throughout the year, starting from January. We have Pongal, we have Ugadi, we have Bakrid, we have Ramzan, we have Christmas, we have Diwali, Dasera, New Year. So among all these festivals, the one you like the most is, you have to write here. See, if you like Diwali, write Diwali. If you like Christmas, write here Christmas. The festival which you like or love the most. Now C. At what time do you go to sleep? Children, daily at night you all go to sleep, but at different times. So write the time here. At night, at what time do you go to sleep? If it is 8 o'clock, write it as 8. If it is 8:30, write as 8:30 at night. So write the time here at which time you go to sleep daily. The next section here is let's do it. Color the cake. Now draw and color on it as many candles as your age. Here we have a cake on which we have to color and then draw as many candles as your age. First, let's color this cake. I am going to color the base here with green. Yes. Then I will take pink. Yes. And then the brown for the creamy chocolate. Then the cream as buttercream like, it will be yellow, and the cherry on the top. So this is how I colored my cake. Now you can also color the cake in your workbook, which is in page number 2, and also draw the number of candles on top here like this as your age. If you are 5 years old, draw 5 candles. If you are 6 years old, draw 6 candles. So with this we finish the let's do it. We finish the let's do it section from our first lesson in workbook. This is who I am.